Hi there. This video is part of our Camp Evergreen series, which is about making cool things, earning badges, and discovering new skills. My name is Lynn, and I'm one of the library's teen service librarians. Today, we're going to show you how you can use items around your home to make tasty dog treats and a chew and tug toy that your dog will love. As always, check with your vet before giving your pets new foods. They can be allergic to things just like we can. All right, are you ready to start? Here are a few things that you will need to make your dog treats. You're going to need some rolled oats or old-fashioned, some applesauce unsweetened, some canned pumpkin, some peanut butter, and some plain yogurt. If you like, you can use a crispy strip of bacon too, but my dogs don't prefer it, so I'm not using it today. All right, let's get started. So first, I'm going to add my oats. 1 cup, 2 cups, 2.5 cups. Then we're going to put in our applesauce. Here it goes. Unsweetened is the best kind. Pets don't need extra sugar either. Some pumpkin. You can find this all year long at the grocery store. This is some plain peanut butter. Creamy. And my plain yogurt. This yogurt's full fat. Okay, and then we're just going to mix it together. Stir it really well with your spatula. Once you get everything combined, you can start making your little balls. You can use a scoop that you make cookies or melon balls with, or you can just use a 1 tablespoon measure. That's what I've got here. You're going to take about 1 tablespoon. You're going to roll it into a ball. It's a little wet. You get it rolled in. You can either take this and let this be your end product. I like to take a little bit more dried oats and roll it in the dried oats. That's a perfect size ball for your dog treat. Our chew and tug toy is just as simple to make. Here's what you'll need: sweet potatoes, a sharp knife, a baking sheet, an oven, and some natural rope. I also used a ruler. Make sure you wash your sweet potatoes well. I took and scrubbed it in the sink, and it's nice and clean looking. You're going to cut your sweet potatoes at about 1/2 inch increments. This is where your ruler comes in handy. Here's what I did. Cut off the end. Then I made little marks at every 1/2 inch. And then I was able to cut rings. Using either your sharp knife or a tool like this apple corer that I have. I love this little tool. It has a little sharp end on the end. You need to take out the middle in a circle or a hole. If you're lucky enough to have a tool like this, you can also take out the little sweet potatoes and you can rest them in the oven on about 425 for about 20 minutes. And you can eat them in salad or all kinds of things. Put a little olive oil and salt on them. Yum! Okay. We're going to take our sweet potatoes. We're going to lay them on our pan. Preheat our oven to 250 degrees. And then we're going to put it in and cook it low and slow for 5 hours total. After 2.5 hours, you want to take them out and you want to turn all of your rings over. Taking your natural rope, this is some jute I got. You're going to cut about a 2-foot length of your rope. It's about a 2-foot length. And you're going to tie a knot in one end, just a simple overhand knot. Here comes the fun part. Now you're going to thread your dried sweet potatoes, 2 or 3 or 4 at a time, depends on how many sweet potatoes you used and cut up. You put 3. Take them all the way down to the end, and then you're going to tie another knot. Continue this process, alternating sweet potatoes and knots until your toy reaches the end of the rope, and you can make another knot to hold them all on. And when you're finished, you'll make a final knot. You have a lot of sweet potatoes on some chewy natural rope, and it's fun for your dogs to tug and play with and chew the sweet potatoes off of. My dogs really love them. And there's your treats and your toys. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make these and you're inspired to do this at home. If you do, tag us in your success post on social media. Until then, see you at the library.